Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix printer driver was not installed error in Windows 11, or if you still use the Windows 10 like this. Is a problem was encountered while attempting to add driver to the store. So it's very easy. All you have to do is right now open the device manager first. Here you can search your printer, make sure your printer is connected to your PC. Then you can click action here, and you can add legacy hardware. Next, install the hardware that I manually select from list. Next, try to search the printers, this one, and you can use existing port, or you can use a create new port. It's up to you. And here you can search the printer by manufacturer, or the generic one, or from Microsoft for default. So you can try to install the driver from here. And if you got a printer that, for example, you have Epson or Canon or HP, you can try to download the driver from the official website. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.